Alright, my people, dancehall skilla there again, big up and respect to each and every one. You see it? Yeah, manners, manners, manners. Alright, so today I want to test out my construction skills. You see me? Yeah, I want to show you look at my construction skills. You see, because I get up this morning and I realize say that what the tile them crack or them broke or something like that. You see me? I say, and them they can dangerous because splinter can come from them and run their foot and all them things. You see it? So I said to myself, say, no, so I'm going to do a video and show a little of my construction skills. What me have, you see me, I say, yeah, I'm not really a tiler, but, I try to help myself, you see me? Yeah, as a man for learn to help himself, you see it? All right, so, ready up.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch. Dancehall.
Well, people, me no more pattern of this tile when me have, No, me no more pattern of it. So guess what me I gotta do now, Me, I go work with the type of tile me have left or what me have left, So I saw it go. You see me I say? Yeah, man, big up my chicken friend, them be nice, them making a place. You see me I say? Yeah, big them up, man. Anyways, me I use what me having up people, you see me? Yeah. If everything go good and by God's will, me be able to can change over everything one day. So I saw it thing go, you see me I say? Alright. Oh, me I put on the next tile now. Alright, so now that is over, viewers and subscribers. You can let me know what you think about my tiling skills. Yeah, let me know what you think about my tiling skills. You see it? Yeah, me just walla fresh. Lotion me kin. You see me? Yeah. Some Jamaicans might say skin, while some Jamaicans might say kin. You see me? I say the S gone. Me don't know the S gone totally gone. You see? Alright, I am going to put together and present to you pieces of videos that are from an entire video that shows a female musician who goes by the name of Shenseea. Now, in the entire video that had been recorded live, Shenseea addressed some rumors that are circulating on social media about her. Yeah, for example, rumors like she's pregnant for Drake and she had sex with Drake and other rumors as well, isn't it? While you listen to some of the things that she said in these pieces of videos that I'm about to present to you, and you can also let me know what to think about some of the things that she said in these pieces of videos, alright? Now, some harsh languages had been used in the entire video that is out on social media that shows Shenseea. So before I present these pieces of videos to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen, and observe.
People literally get up and tell lies. Like, it's not even funny. Like, just when I read what I saw about myself on the internet, I was like, who even have the heart for do shit like this? Who does that? And you have to understand that, yeah, you know I love to play around. But that's not even funny, bro. Like, why would I get up and say I have sex with somebody as a publicity stunt when it's not true? Why would I add one body to whatever body count we might have? That doesn't even make no sense. Especially publicly? No, come on. Come on. Do better than that. And then, like I said, screenshots. Bro, first of all, no screenshot never out. Second of all, as I said, if you don't hear from me, it's not true. Because I've been in situations where people Photoshop shit of me. And you have to understand, I'm not going to come on the net and try to clear up every single thing when I hear about myself. I'm not going to do it. Why? Why am I need to do that? Because at the same time, you read some things on the net, you can see that though. Like, it doesn't even make no sense. Like, this story doesn't even make no sense, bro. So why I need to come on here for prove otherwise when it's literally right there? Like, come on. When something don't make no sense, it just don't make no sense, dog. And you can see lies. You can see the lie. And my vagina, I don't play with my vagina. Me no. 3 things enough to play with when it come on to me. My son, my career, and my vagina, bro. This pum pum? No. No. And I notice many of post man for my Instagram. No. No. Nope. Nope. Don't play with my pum pum. I don't play like that. All of the artists them in Jamaica can tell you. Like, they can tell you I've never flirted with them, much less to even have encounters with them. Am I pregnant? The reason I'm even not talk about this, because when they want to post the manager thing, I saw one comment where a girl say, from I have sex with Drake, everything start go up. I'm like, so wait, I don't actually believe this shit? Like, on a serious? Like, on a serious?
My people, let me tell you something about me dancehall skill. You see? Me not have time for fabricate stories. Nor talk things about people, or say this about people, or say that about people. That's why you see me. That's why I know for the time, certain things pass me, because so far me not have confirmed information about certain things. Me nobody even talk about it, And if me even present it to you, my viewers and subscribers, me rather tell you the truth, so me no know this and me no know that. You see me, I said to you. You know, from when me hear those rumors about Shenseea circulating on social media and all these things, and me not post none of them, me not talk about none of them, cause me just listen to some of the things that have been said on social media and realize that some of these things just don't make no sense. You see it? Yeah, I just saw you go still. Anyway, Shenseea, big up yourself. As I say, viewers and subscribers, big up yourself. And I guess I'm gonna leave it, you know. So let me know what I think about my tiling skills and about some of the things that Shenseea said in those pieces of videos that I presented to you. And here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. You know, big up on yourself. Yes, it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla.